Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we are doing a very exciting video that I have actually never done before. I am doing a vacation maintenance vlog. I'm going on vacation, I know, surprise, surprise, on Saturday, and I have not taken a vacation for probably 3 years. Super excited. I just have so many things to do. I'm just about to head out the door to get my nails done. My nails are absolutely so bad and so grown out. So I gotta go and get that fixed. And then I have a couple of errands I need to run. So I thought I would bring you guys along with me. Bear with me because I've never done a video like this before, so like I don't really know how it's gonna go. But anyways, let's head out the door right now and I'm gonna head to my nail appointment.
Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing.
So I just got here literally 5 minutes early. I was stressing because I was like, okay, I'm literally gonna be late. But first of all, I literally just bought this light that can like clip onto my camera or my phone or like whatever. And like, can we just talk about the lighting? Because I'm actually in an underground right now and it's just giving. I will link it down below, you guys. It is so worth it. I think it was like not even $40.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. What you do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy, baby.
Okay, you guys already know what time it is. I'm gonna do a little Walmart haul. I can't even believe how much travel sized products cost. Like, it's actually ridiculous. It's like basically half of the actual real size product. Let me show you guys. You guys know I love doing these little hauls in my car. So first things first, we got shampoo and conditioner. This is the OGX that I use all the time. If you guys been watching my self-care videos, you guys know that I just recently purchased that and I just love that product. I needed some new hair ties because I definitely have none left. I got a Olay Shea Butter body wash. I just recently rebought this as well, so I've been using it like crazy and I just wanted to use it also for my trip. I don't know if I'm gonna bring this because it's kind of like bulky, but this is the Summer's Eve Shea Floral Cleansing Wash. This is a feminine hygiene wash. I was using the Vagisil for a little bit, but I just kind of want to change it up and try something new. I got the Vaseline Cocoa Butter body lotion. Me and my boyfriend have been using this non-freaking stop. Like, when I bought it the first time, he was like, okay, wait, what is that? Because this is like so good. And I was like, I know. So I just repurchased it. I think I will bring it with me just because it's not a big bulky size anyway. I got some gel. This is the Eco Gel Argan Oil. My boyfriend just went to Toronto and he took this and there wasn't a problem, obviously, in his suitcase. And then I got the Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. I love using this when I travel just because it's like non-scented and it just is like really nice on the skin. And then I got a little Baby Dove deodorant. Sorry, like I'm parked in such a bright area right now. It's not really giving. I also bought one of these combs because mine actually broke. I needed another one of these so when I do like my sleek hair buns. Here I got some bobby pins, which I was like really low on. I'm just gonna bring like a couple of those. Like, I'm not gonna bring the whole damn pack. My boyfriend recently was like using this and he's like, yo, if you ever see this in the store, just buy it for me. And I was like, okay. So I did actually walk right by it and I was like, oh, I'll just grab it for him. Whatevs. Then I got some toothpaste. And what else did I get in here? It's got some cleansing wipes. This is obviously for my makeup. I'm gonna be wearing makeup when I'm there. So like when we go out to dinner and stuff. Okay, I have not used this, but I always use this dry shampoo and they have a new one that's for dark hair. It's colored dry shampoo and I'm so freaking excited to use this. Last thing we got here, you guys, I was dying to buy this, but every time I went to the store to buy it, it actually was sold out. This is the Vaseline Cocoa Shimmer Jelly Stick. First of all, for vacation on a beach in Mexico, y'all already know I'm gonna be whipping this out. First of all, it smells so good. I've never used this, so I will definitely have to give you guys a review on that. So that is basically all I bought, and like you guys can tell, I don't travel much, but it's just kind of exciting going to the store and like buying the travel stuff. Like, you know, I don't know. I feel like it's part of the process and like the excitement of going on a trip. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so anyways, I'm not gonna have enough time to go and run the rest of the errands. I'm gonna have to go home and make some food because I'm literally dying. I have not had anything to eat yet. So I need to go make some food, and then I'm gonna hit the gym, and then probably right after that, I'm just gonna continue running my errands because I've got some things to do. I will check back in with you guys later. Okay, so it is finally a day before our flight. Our flight is at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, but we gotta leave here at 5:15, 5:30. You guys, I have not even slept. Like last night, I went to bed so late. Today, I'm probably not even gonna sleep. I basically have packed everything I need to pack. Now I just need to do the rest of my maintenance, like do my skincare. I gotta do some hygiene stuff. I gotta shower, like I gotta wash my hair. I gotta do so much stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I do still have makeup on from earlier today, so I'm just obviously gonna get rid of all of that, and we're gonna go through my hygiene and my self-care for vacation mode. Okay, so we're gonna be starting off with the shower. I'm just gonna take my hair out and I'm going to brush my hair. This helps obviously with shampooing and making sure that you don't have a lot of hair fall out. I like to start off by shampooing my hair. This is just routine for me. I'm just soaking my hair. Now we're using a shampoo. Honestly, love the native shampoo. I've been using it for a little while, and it's definitely so good for the amount of money you're paying for the shampoo. Next, we're gonna just rinse everything thoroughly, and then we're gonna move right into the conditioner. I'm also using the native conditioner as well. Starting off with the Dove Body Bar Soap. I like using this first because I feel like it really gets my skin prepped for all of the other products that I'm going to use following this. I also like using my hands. I don't know why, I just feel like I get such a good cleanse and a good scrub. Moving on, we're going to use the Dove Body Scrub. This is brown sugar and coconut butter. I absolutely love this so much, you guys, for exfoliating. I don't know why, it is just such a good product for me. I know some people don't like it, but I just absolutely love it. So we're just using an exfoliator glove, and we're just really making sure that we're going in circular motions and just getting all of that dead skin off. Now I'm using the EOS Shave Cream. This is in Vanilla Bliss. I like shaving after I use an exfoliator because I feel like, you know, all of my ingrowns and everything have all come out. So it is a perfect time to shave right after. Now I'm using the Olay body wash, and I'm just gonna be using my loofah. We're gonna lather it all up. Next, we're moving on to the OGX Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash. This is just so hydrating on the skin. I don't know why, it just feels so good. It has a little bit of beads in it, but it's not harsh on the skin, and it just makes me feel super cleansed. Next, moving into the Summer's Eve Feminine Hygiene Wash. I really like this one. Now I'm basically gonna repeat the same process up top, down below, and please don't come for me because of my fading tan. I'm definitely gonna be doing my tan tonight, so that's why obviously I'm going through the whole exfoliating process. If you guys literally can see the difference in my tan line, mind your business.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my dance. Ain't packing out nobody.
You know, I feel like I've been self-tanning for a very long time now. When I'm not tanned, I'm like, whoa, this is my natural skin color. I need to put some tanner on.
Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna play. In the party, he just wanna rump. Big boobs in the bus, they plump. She a baddie, she knows she a 10. She a baddie with her baddie friend. They like ice, how you always stay hot. Oh, they mad cause I keep making pops. Oh, she mad cause I'm taking her spot. If I was bitches, I'd hate me a lot. Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, get money too. Like damn, she in her mood. No friends, I don't fuck with the fake. Saying they love me, but one in my place. Step in the party, I'm looking the baddest. So the paparazzi in my face. Pretty bitch, but I came from the gutter. Said I'd be lit by the end of the summer. And I'm proud that I'm still getting bigger. Going viral is getting them sicker. Like what? Let's...
Now moving on to some skincare. I'm going to be shaving my face. I haven't done this for a very long time, but I did want to save it for this video. So I'm just using a little bit of facial oil just to allow the blade to glide on my face properly. And oh, you can see all of that good stuff coming off my face. Fortunately, my eyebrow lady could not get me in for an appointment, so I just had to tweeze them myself. I don't like doing this normally, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Moving on to some hair care, we're keeping it simple as usual. I use the same 3 products, but I'm gonna clean my ears first with a Q-tip. Using the Tresemme Heat Tamer Spray, then the Dove Miracle Mist, and we're just massaging that right into the scalp. Now we're moving on to self-tanner, which is the last step of this whole maintenance. So we're just going to be using the glove and we're just going to apply that on. And the last step is cuticle oil. I got this from Amazon and it's probably the best purchase I've ever got. So I'm just gonna apply some on my toes because I just got my toes done, and also on my heels as well.
I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you.
I'm gonna apply some on my hands as well.
And I'm with you. How can I suppose you missed?
It is 2:34 in the morning right now on November 25th. We gotta get to the airport. I think we have to leave here by 4:15. So I'm definitely not going to bed because I know I'm gonna be super groggy and annoyed. I've done all of my maintenance. I'm ready to go. I'm packed. I'm normally not a last minute packer. You know what? Life happens. I run a business. I'm just gonna try to sleep on the plane, although I hate doing that. That is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first time doing a vacation maintenance vlog. So hopefully I can do more of these in the future. I will see you guys in the next video.